Okay. Hello, friends. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay, today I will present to you a project related to Facebook into Aymara. The title says, Aymara Bolivians translate Facebook into Aymara. A group of volunteers is working on launching the social network site in their language. Okay, the newspaper is El País in Spain, Madrid, in 2015. Okay, and so this is me, this is Ruben, and so another friends, two friends, and actually this is a community or community construction of Facebook into Aymara. Let's check. Okay. Sorry. Okay. I will use the text in order to explain this project. What it says, members of the group tasked with translating Facebook into Aymara Hakearu. Hakearu is the community which is working on this project. Here says, instead of comment, you will press kayak tanya. And instead of like, you will click on Kusawa. A group of volunteers from El Alto, Bolivia, has been working for more than a year on translating Facebook into Aymara, the second most widely spoken indigenous languages in the South America country. As you see here, instead of comment or comentar, in Aymara will be kayak tanya. And instead of like or me gusta, in Aymara will be kusawa. Actually, it's in version, in beta version, this translation. Okay, let's continue reading. And here says, Hakearu, an online community launched in 2009. Okay, that was creation of Hakearu, promoted the initiative. Ruben Hilari, which is who is me, one of its members says everything began with the desire of strengthening their language and culture. They also wanted to increase the amount of online content in Aymara, which UNESCO has included in its atlas of the world's languages in danger. Okay, we create individual and group blogs, sign up for social media, contribute to Wikipedia content in Aymara, subtitle videos. Hilari says, Aymara is alive. It doesn't need to be revitalized. It needs to be strengthened. And that is exactly what we are doing. Okay, here is explaining on the note a little bit about the community and what this community do as Aymara people. Okay, and so here you can see here they write blogs and use social media like Twitter, like Facebook, or maybe Instagram, YouTube, and so on. Okay, and so here mentions Aymara is alive. Okay, Aymara está vivo. No, o Aymara, la lengua Aymara está viva. It doesn't know. Okay, we read that part. Okay, that's that's a kind of quotation of the note. Here, Elias Quispe is the responsible of the translation, is the person who is translating, who is coordinating all this translation, the Facebook into Aymara. Okay, the manager of the platform says they have translated the 24,000 of words that Facebook requires in order to launch the social media service in a new language, and that they are now reviewing the terminology. And so now in 2020, Facebook has more than 24,000 words, maybe more than 30,000 of words. Okay, and so here also is mentioned on the note about new terminology. As you know, doesn't exist many words in Aymara, especially for the new things, for the new technology. And so what we are doing with this project is also creating new terminology, new words in Aymara. Like as you noted in this news, saying, for example, for like, kusawa, or for comment, kaya or for share, or what's in Spanish this? Share, for example. Okay, Quispe, in this case, Elias Quispe says, Facebook's translation department told them they were very close to meeting the requirements 2 months ago. That gives us a lot of strength to finish the job. He adds, between 15 to 20 volunteers have worked on the project. At first, they met twice a week, but now they only get together online. Okay, it's here is mentioning about how we have been doing this project between these 50 and 20 volunteers, especially Aymara speakers. Okay, Elias Quispe also knows English. He speaks English. And so that helps a lot knowing English, because the translation is from English directly into Aymara. Okay, what else we have here? And it says, Ruben Hilari says he is convinced that launching the Aymara version of Facebook will raise the self-esteem of many young people and strengthen their sense of cultural identity. If we do not work for our language and culture today, it will be too late tomorrow to remember who we are, and we will always feel insecure our identity. Okay, and so this is a kind of to love ourselves, self-esteem, okay, autoestima, and identity, who we are culturally, which language speaks my mom or my dad, my daddy, okay, or in this case, our family, which language they speak. Of course, many of them, almost all of them, speak Aymara, first of all. Okay, and so I'm going to show you a little bit, and so this is a screenshot, and is the group of, okay, which is not very clear, and so I'm going to stop this part and go to the website, okay, and let me see. And so I'm going to write here, Facebook. And so I'm going to log into Facebook. And so please pay attention. And so you will see the platform of Facebook translated into Aymara, or in the version of Aymara language. Okay, there you go. Okay, here says, instead of inicio, alta. Okay, instead of informaciones yatianaka, no, haktapiwi. Okay, that's an Aymara. Or maicht ayawi for setup or configuraciones. Yanapa. Okay, what's the meaning for Yanapa? Anyone? What's the meaning for yanap? Oh, here it's kailkauta. Okay, here is kailkauta. Okay, and so you can see like these words, many words already in Aymara, like unyest awinaka, wakichawinaka, hamokanaka, ukhata, okay, or tsekeyanya, and what else? Maybe there is no more, or maybe here, aruski pawi, chikanchasinya. Okay, I'm going to go to my page, and so you will see here, or you can see here, again, many words in Aymara. Yatiao hichekiptayanya, o hakawi, okay, naihata, no, masinaka, hamokanaka, hukampi, okay? Into hukampi also you can see untanyanaka, unchukinyanaka, television wakichawinaka, okusawa wakichawinaka, amuyunaka, tamanaka, okay? And also here the question is kunslup iskta instead of what are you doing? Okay, what else? Okay, this is related to culture ministry. Okay, here it says kusawa. Okay, here is kailaktanya and ekeanya for sharing. And what else? Kusawa, kailaktawayam. Okay, this is the version actually in the Facebook in Aymara or Hamokanaka. Okay, some pictures. Okay, and thank you very much for your attention.